Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to list your car on Zoomcar. So first, open up your web browser. Today we're using Google Chrome, and then go to zoomcar.com. Now here on their front page, on the top right corner of the screen, you will see a Become a Host button. Click on it. After you click it, it will show you all of the necessary details in order to list your car on Zoomcar. Now here you will see the estimate of an example car. Now scroll down to actually see the steps. Now here it is. There are 3 simple steps to start sharing and earning. Now first and foremost, you must install their host app. So install Zoomcar host. Click on that and then it will show you a QR code. Scan it with your phone. It can be an Android or an Apple device, and it will take you to the App Store or the Play Store to download their app. After that, sign up on the app and provide them your PAN, bank and address details, and now basically you are ready to share your car. For the last steps, select the sharing dates for your car and they will visit you to install the safety devices, and then you are ready to earn. And basically that's it.